Hello everybody, today I have a video of a humidifier to show. This is a Crane Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. This is the raindrop shape model here. I got this for Christmas back in during high school, and it still works well. I've used this thing at night before many times because it helps with the dry air in the winter time because of the heat. And first off, this is the box here. So this does have a 1 gallon tank capacity, which is a lot more than the Bonico humidifier that I showed. It's quiet, and this thing would turn off automatically when it runs out of water. Get a better view of the box here. Yeah, so this is the Crane Drop humidifier. And it's also available in these other colors too, besides this light blue color. Yeah, and this one is made in China and is ETL listed. And here's another view of the box. And this is the box I use for storage when I'm not using it. Here it is. So with the water, I used filtered water from the pitcher to put in here. It's very easy to fill up here. This is just a quick start guide, and there's a demineralization filter cartridge, which I've never unboxed. Yeah, so again, there are cards that come with this model of the humidifier. Yeah, this is like a customer service number right here. So there's the box, and I'll get to the humidifier. So here's the actual humidifier. Crane, as you can see, this got variable speed control. Yeah, this is kind of rubbed off here. Off on this here. There's light that glows on here. Yeah, this is the cap where water goes out. Yeah, this is like a carry handle to pull the tank off. And under here looks like vents for the fan that helps blow the cool mist out. Cord under here. So let's get a demonstration of this humidifier right now. Yeah, the mist is coming up right now. Yeah, I can feel the cool mist come out. Yes, and there's a video of my Crane humidifier. Goodbye.